Have you ever wondered why Pakistan and India, once united, became two separate nations? It's a question that stirs curiosity, a complex tapestry of historical events and decisions. This brief journey will shed light on the events that led to this historic split. The roots of the divide trace back to British colonial rule. The British fostered divisions between Hindus and Muslims, sowing seeds of discord that would later sprout into deep-rooted tensions. Policies of divide and rule, coupled with differences in culture, language and religion, stoked the fires of animosity. Amidst the growing clamour for independence, a new voice rose, one that called for a separate homeland for Muslims. As the pressure for independence grew, so did the call for a separate Muslim state. The year 1947 was marked by a monumental decision, the partition of British India. A series of events led up to this pivotal moment in history. The British, exhausted from World War II, were keen on a swift exit from their Indian colony. Meanwhile, the Indian National Congress, led by Jawaharlal Nehru, had its sights set on a united India. But the Muslim League, under the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, had a different vision, a separate nation for Muslims. Tensions escalated, culminating in the fateful decision of partition. The British, eager to wash their hands of the situation, hastily drew up borders, dividing the subcontinent along religious lines. The stroke of midnight, on August 14, 1947, marked the birth of two nations, India and Pakistan. The partition was not a peaceful transition. In the wake of the split, violence erupted on both sides of the newly formed border. Millions were displaced, their lives uprooted in the scramble to reach the right side. This tumultuous period left a deep scar on the psyche of both nations, fostering a sense of mistrust that lingers even today. The impact of this historical event can still be felt, shaping the dynamics of India-Pakistan relations. The echoes of this partition are still heard in the strained relations between the two nations. So, what have we learned about the historic split? We trace the roots back to the British colonial era, a time that sowed the seeds of division. The increasing tensions between religious groups led to the momentous decision of partition. The aftermath was far from peaceful, leaving deep scars that are still visible today. While the partition of India and Pakistan was a historic event, its legacy continues to shape the subcontinent today.